Would you like to say any last words to it, Dan?
You'll be mine once again.
Oh!
You can see where the rail hit me.
Oh!
The guy that smashes into the ramp on flat ground can do it, I can do it.
Oh my God! Oh! Hey you guys, we're here today in the sub-zero freezing Antarctic temperature of the Braille House today with...
Scotty Kramer.
And who are you?
Matt Hoffman.
And who are you?
Matt Hoffman.
And who are you?
What's the topic right here?
My name is Gabe Cruz. You can follow me on Instagram, GabeCruz01. So today, Razor was nice enough to send us 2 brand new electric drift trikes. These things are freaking machines, isn't that right?
That's absolutely right. Right, Ryan Nyquist?
I mean,
that's right.
definitely by like definition, these are machines.
Whoa, jeez,
Yeah,
Dan.
see?
My
Machines.
gosh, the torque on those things is absolutely amazing.
Way to get it started.
This is like the Hoonigan's Burn Yard right here.
Oh yeah, Burnyard Bash, the Braille House Bash.
What? Dude, you can't pull this in and gas it.
It just sounded like you were trying to hit some monster smash.
All right, so
crap.
basically, in our last skate park, we had a video with these electric drift trikes that they battled for Golden Fork contention.
Yeah, I smell it.
And now that the Braille House 2.0 is finished, we thought, why don't we get some new drift trikes and let these guys go at it in the new skate park. So it's gonna be Nigel versus Uzi versus Globe Order with Mowgli over here as our ref. And the winner gets a Golden Fork. What? Uzi, you had it for about 1 week and now it's gonna be taken from you because Nigel's coming for vengeance. All right, it's your Golden Fork. Would you like to say any last words to it, Dan?
You'll be mine once again.
Get on that horse and ride it, brother!
Yo, you're gonna kill the battery, dude. All right, Rochambeau.
Clean sweep.
Yep,
it.
me and you.
Not quite.
Clean sweep! Dang it.
Dang. All right, Glow first, then Nigel, then Uzi. Let's get this game started. Okay, hold on. So,
I want this gold fork, so I'm gonna let my competition go first so I can see what I'm challenged.
Nigel, then Uzi, then Glow.
The way the Godfather works is very mysterious.
All right, we're gonna start off something simple. Just a flat ground 360.
Ooh!
Yo, can you move that up?
Hey, get this up out of the way! The Godfather has spoken.
Let the Godfather go.
Keep it going! Oh my God! Hey, we'll give him one redo. Yeah!
Oh yeah, we're gonna have some fun now.
All right, I'm gonna let that count, so no letters yet.
We're gonna do 180 to fakie on the pyramid. Oh yeah. Why am I always on the ground? I think in every video I've been in this week, I'm on the ground.
I'm getting so much grip on the wall.
Oh, exactly. You can't shoot on the wall. That's why.
No, I can, but not with this tire.
No, the exact same thing just happened to him.
Tried it. That's why.
Did you not see how high I got on that wall before with these?
How many times is Uzi gonna complain about that trike today? Leave it in the comments below.
We'll take it from him.
What's next?
We're gonna grind. We're gonna grind there all the way down.
Okay. Oh!
Are you okay?
Oh! You missed. Dude, what just happened?
These things got power, brother.
All right, Uzi, your trick. Where are you going? Where? Are they stronger than the last ones?
I feel like they have an ounce more power.
I feel like there's a little more gas in these.
I don't know. I was cooking on that one for sure.
Cooking on that one.
We're hauling.
No, you can't really.
You gotta go fast.
You should probably get the very expensive tripod out of here.
I was sliding. I was going too fast, buddies.
I'm glad you did that. Hey, it's better than the rail.
Yeah, I was worried for Nigel's back.
I thought he took out his back for sure.
Yeah.
You can see where the rail hit me.
Oh, you got?
Oh my gosh. So you did get hit.
Yeah.
I thought you avoided it. Are you okay?
Yeah, why? Does it look disgusting?
No, it's just like peeled.
Yeah.
A little raw. Looks like road rash a little bit. Hey, can I hit a trick for you right quick?
Well, I still have to do that.
No,
Like,
I know.
Yeah.
Watch.
Oh, you're gonna hit a trick. Oh, no. Oh, God.
That was good.
All right, brother Cletus, what you got going?
I'm gonna try to hit the wall ride.
That was really above the line. I thought he was gonna go past that too.
I think we could get front tire. Wait!
No, Dan, you got back tires above the line on the whip around.
I said, I went slow on that one. Riding with the grippy wheel, I thought you were gonna die.
Down the 3 and
I'm gonna get full bike above the line.
Full bike above the line. Okay, I want to see this one.
Glow, your turn.
The new quarter pipe rock to fakie.
Prepare for death.
Oh! Excuse me, Gabe. There I go.
Oh. My bad. Hey, Glow. You know what you should do? Conquer your demons. Down the 3 block into the bank.
He was
I'm not getting hyped up.
Hey, I'm sorry for talking you into it.
We'll get to that. I'm gonna do a back 3 on the hip.
Oh, Nigel, your turn. Oh, letter!
The wheel turning.
He grabbed it. He grabbed it.
360 the pyramid.
Oh!
Guess I'll just fall.
You got this, Glow? Easy. Let's go, Glow! Let's go, Glow! Let's go! Yeah! Yeah!
Let's go!
Hey, Nigel, time to do it to him.
I should be, right? No, not me! I thought I was gonna hit that ramp. That's the only reason I put my foot down.
Bro, what are you doing?
I'm having a ball, brother.
If the guy that smashes into the ramp on flat ground can do it, I can do it.
I put it down all the way. I count that.
This is dead.
Right here. You got it, bro.
This for you, Uzi. Just know I don't ever try nothing. You heard?
Let's go.
Oh, bro. I'm cutting it close today.
If the bikes either lose their charge or break, the winner of the golden fork is decided by knockout.
Slap boxing?
No, knockout, freaking basketball.
Oh, I thought we was about to start throwing bows.
Wait, wait, we do have a pump now. We can pump up the inflatable.
I'm not doing that. That's gonna get too aggressive.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Should we just all go to a boxing ring? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh!
Oh, I got you, baby.
You got him!
Come a little closer. He's in there like swimwear, baby. I don't know why you went there.
Do not try this at home, kids.
That was a good letter.
His feet touched.
Hey, he rolled away. Defense. It's defense.
They both touch?
I think both feet touched, right? Are you good?
Did both feet touch?
Oh! Again!
See, you can't even blame that on me. That's all you. All right, I'm gonna do another rock to fakie, but you gotta stand up for it. Oh no!
Uzi, your turn.
All right, I got one.
I'm gonna try to grind the top and go into the bank. I was that close!
Body!
I was so close!
Oh my gosh!
Alright, fellas, 1, 2, 3.
Let's go!
Oh no!
He's learning. He saved that.
You're learning.
Uzi, your turn.
That hurt my wrist. Are you good? Yeah. Stuff don't hurt, come on! That's what I was trying to avoid.
He got multiple bodies.
Yeah.
This game is doomed. Got the steez on that one. You look like you're done.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go to the doctor's right now.
Are you going to the hospital? Okay. Good luck.
I hope you're okay, buddy.
I hope you're all right.
I might win for you now.
Let us know.
I don't think there's enough tricks on these things to win a game.
You don't think there's enough tricks?
No, you're not good enough to land them anymore. Are you done? What could you possibly be doing?
I don't think I made it above the line.
No.
I'm gonna grind the tip of that and 180 out. It just didn't get up.
No, it didn't happen. All right, we gotta get creative now.
Finish this off, Dan.
Man, you
All right, you got one more try.
This.
You think that's what it is?
I think so, because he didn't have it.
Oh.
And yours just went smooth.
And there it is. With that, Uzi.
I'm stuck.
And with that, Uzi gets the golden fork back. Congratulations.
That's just a perfect just.
I literally maxed it out.
Do you have any words you'd like to say, Victor?
Hey, the gods chose me for that one. My pegs flew off at the last second. I just had to send it. Little did I know.
I saw his pegs fly off, and I thought he was gonna just stop, and I was like, oh, he's going. Oh, he's going, and then it just went, and it's.
I love how he just lifted his legs up as high as he could the whole time.
I didn't want to get him stuck.
Well done, Dan. And well played. You
all
progressed
good.
today.
That was a very, very good game.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And go to brailleskateboarding.com to learn how to skateboard. Do it.